आपूहिष्ठामयो भुवः तान ऊर्जे दधातन महेरणाय चक्षसे. Water is the single most important component that you can consume, and in Ayurveda it is recommended that you have boiled and cooled water only. In Kerala, where I come from, it's a standard practice for any Malayali to have hot or warm water along with the meal. And even if you go to the smallest of all hotels, you will find them serving you with a reddish kind of water, and that is Karingali Vella, and it's another medicinal water that is generally consumed. In Kerala, usually cumin water or Jeeraga Vella is had along with meals. And the benefit of that is jeera or cumin is heating and it helps in the digestive process. So if you have it along with your meals, it helps in the digestion. On say summer days, hot days, when you want to kind of cool down, we have malli vella or coriander water. You put coriander into water and have that as your daily intake of water. My grandmother used to always refer to drinking water as chukkuvella. Chukkuvella means dry ginger water. That means water in which dry ginger has been boiled, and usually with something else like cumin or coriander or some other herbs. So it's very common for Malayalis to have chukkuvella. It's very easy to make. And that's the recipe that I'll be sharing with you today. It's called chukku malli vella or dry ginger and coriander water. I suggest everyone to have it. Even small children can have it. It can be had especially on hot days because it cools the body down. So I hope you will try this recipe and let me know how it went. It's very easy, and I think you should have this on a daily basis if you can.